Good afternoon. This is a video that will help you through the April 13th through 17th session 1 and session 2. Pay attention on how are these, and I'll help you through pitfalls and what's going on. We're going to deal with slope triangles. First of all, naming of lines. When I look at this line right here, I can name that CB. Oh, messed up the highlighter again. I can name that CB. I can also name it line BC. So make sure that you know that the line BC and the line CB are the same thing. The other thing that you will run into on some of the graphs is that sometimes some of the graphs have a 0 right here. It's not a 0, it's actually O, and it designates origin. On your problems, what you are going to do is you are going to calculate slope triangles. First, you are going to have to do them in letters and understand that slope is rise over run. And what you're going to do is you're going to set up two proportions. So on the first one, the rise is CB and the run is AB. So if I wrote this, it would be CB is to AB is equal to FE to DE. And so that would be FE to DE. That would be writing the proportions in letters. After you write the proportions in letters, you would go back to your graph and you would calculate the numbers. Give me a pause so I can erase this so you can see what's going on. And so when I'm looking at this graph, the rise is for CB is 2 and the run is 3, so that's 2/3 is the same as 4/6, and if you simplify the 4/6, the slope is 2/3. Sometimes slope triangles have a little bit different. These are two triangles. And so there is a triangle, a huge triangle right here, and that is proportional to the triangle that is right here. Okay, so we're going to have to put some more letters here. So this would be H, and this could be R. So your proportionals would be, and let's make this C and this F and this G. I just put letters around the vertexes. So R, C, do not want to use the hypotenuse, so let's start that again. The rise of the larger one is CH. The run is RH, and that will be equivalent to the rise of the green triangle, which is FG, to the run of the green triangle, which is RG. CH is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and FG is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Both of those, when they are simplified, is 2/3. Next is the slope from a line. You can pick any two, usually you had dots. This time they're not going to give you the dots. I'm going to look for a crosshair. There's a crosshair and there's a crosshair. Pay attention to your scale. This is going up to 5 and over to 1. So the rise is 5 and the run is 1. So your final answer, the slope, is 5. The concept of proportionality is going to come back up in this lesson. Remember that in order for a line to be proportional, it must be a straight line, which means it has a constant slope, and the line must go through the origin. You must have yeses on both of these to be proportional. One yes would be not proportional. Hope this helps you on week April 13th through 17th.